Oh, I see someone mending over here.
Perfect.
Oh, there's a lot of them.
Even better. Holy shit, you were not joking. You get the one on top. I'm gonna get... never mind, it's not a vaulting one.
I'm getting the one over here.
There's a bitch right here. I'm freaking following her. There's two of them.
Holy fucking shit. If you saw this
What
fucking frenzy, you'd have a stroke. The amount of fucking distance that I covered with that one fucking frenzy. I fucking traveled the entire map